Well, here we are in Puerto Escondido. What a friggin' hot day, man. Oh my gosh. We just about melted. Not gonna be a great sunset. Lots of cloud out there. Beautiful beach though. Really nice beach. Lots more going on here than in San Agustin, but yeah, maybe a little too much, we'll see. I just wish I could see him on the unicycle more. Damn, I wish I could have seen him more. Jeez, juggling bloody machetes on a unicycle. The things you see in Mexico. Okay, well, don't ask me where we are. I honestly don't even know. we're somewhere between the coast and Chiapas, but we stopped for the night. And God, I don't even know what this place is. It looks like a Mexican water park or something, but it's going to close soon, and I'm just going to take a look around and show you what's what's here. It's kind of entertaining. This place is out in the middle of nowhere, and everybody's here having a hoot. Okay, I guess this is the lazy river here. This is a bustling pocket of prosperity, this place, obviously, for people to come. Yeah, so chaos is ensuing around here. I don't really know what to say. Anyhow, I'm sure Elaine's going to be really happy that we're at a little water park here for the night. Yeah, I guess there's not much more to say. Cheers. So, I told Elaine that wherever we stayed tonight, money was no object. And as you can see, I really went overboard tonight. It cost us exactly $2 to stay here tonight. So, the only place that's going to get me is in the doghouse. But anyhow, I'm kind of finding this a little bit entertaining, so you can't put a value on that. So this is our spot for the night. It's actually quite pretty if you look behind. It's got the mountains. Anyhow, we'll let you know how things go.
Well, we just spent a night at the water park, and it was a very quiet night. We had a few dogs around us, but they were all quiet through the night. It was quite the water park, interesting to see. A lot of people were there all yesterday, so anyhow, now we're off. Where are we headed?
Chiapas.
We'll see you there. Bye.